we had a training on personal branding by Mizna, and honestly it was a very interactive session. The trainer made sure to make everyone very comfortable. Honestly, at the end of the training we were talking very openly. There were very interactive activities, so we were able to express ourselves as well.
It was very creative, and I love dressing up and I love talking about dressing up, so it was really interesting for me. Besides that, Muzna was really helpful. She helped me pick out a few colors that would suit me, helped me pick out my style as well, and I'm really excited to incorporate that in my journey ahead in the corporate world.
This is Rishta, working in the Learning and Audit department at Shan Foods. We had our session with Muzna Ali today, your version 2.0, and this was very exciting and very energetic session. They were well engaged, they were participating, and this actually explained that how fruitful this session was, and this was a huge success for us as well. Looking forward to working with Muzna Ali in the future as well. Thank you.